Hey guys, today it's me Akib coming back with another video. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing and it'll be the solar power LED wall light. So this is a cheap garden light and it works with a PIR sensor and a CD5 night sensor, and you have the picture on the front. So we have on the behind we have some specifications, solar panel, and the delay time is 10 seconds and the size is also mentioned. And there's a diagram which explains everything. When it's sunlight it charges, then when it's night it's bright light. So now let's go with the unboxing. So here we have the box. Let me open it from the top. So inside the box we get two items. The one is the user manual and this is the user manual. So this user manual is in English, so make sure you read the whole thing before using this product. And also I'll put this product link in the description, so you can go buy it from the description. And next we have the product itself inside the box, packed safely using bubble wrap. And over here we have the safe package bubble wrap. Okay, so inside when we take it out we have two items. One, we get a screw and an expansion hole, so to mount it. And this is the light. So behind it's so smooth. And over there we have the screw hole. And over here we have the CD5 night sensor and the solar panel. Let me peel it off. So the quality is really good. And guys, this is not a sponsored video. So, and this is the on-off switch, and that is the PIR sensor. And over here we have 20 LED bright lights. So that's it with the light. So please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.